In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. If you're finding the new Yahoo Mail interface a bit cumbersome or simply prefer the simplicity of the classic version, I'll guide you through the process to revert back in just a few simple steps. First things first, go ahead and open Yahoo Mail in your preferred web browser. You will want to go to the address bar and type in mail.yahoo.com. Hit enter, and this will bring you to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Take a moment to do that, and then we'll proceed to the next step. Now that you're in your Yahoo Mail inbox, you should see a settings symbol in the upper right corner. It's typically represented by a gear icon, which is pretty standard for most applications. Click on that icon. This is where Yahoo has tucked away a lot of useful features and settings, allowing you to personalize your mail experience. After you've clicked on the settings icon, look for an option that says More Settings. It might be slightly less obvious, but it's usually towards the bottom of the menu. Clicking More Settings will open a new page filled with a variety of configurations you can make to tailor your mail experience just the way you like it. But for today, our focus will be solely on switching back to the classic view, so let's stay on track. Once you are on the More Settings page on the left hand side, you will notice a list of options. Scroll through these options until you spot Switch to Basic Mail. Click on this option. This might seem like a small link, but it's a powerful one, as it initiates the process of switching your interface back to the vintage style you might be longing for. Finally, you're going to see a confirmation prompt, Switch to Basic Mail button. Click on it to confirm the action. This step ensures Yahoo understands you are making this switch deliberately. After clicking this button, the page will refresh, bringing up the classic version of Yahoo Mail you're familiar with. And there you have it. Those simple steps will guide you back to using Yahoo Mail in its classic view. If at any point you want to return to the modern interface, you can easily do so by following a similar process. I hope this walkthrough was helpful to you and that you find the classic view more suited to your needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.